Hello, myself Ashutosh Pandey, and this is my final assignment. Data analytics using R. This is my final assignment. Project on read CSV file. How to read CSV file and creating a bar chart of the data. So let's start our project. First off, we created a CSV file by the name of myproject.csv, and here this is a project.csv file. We can see there are 5 fields: field name ID, name, gender, department, and salary. Basically, the project is based on a bar chart. So let's try to understand how to read this CSV file and draw a bar chart. Now, this is RStudio ID, where we can write our R programming for the data analytics. Here we created a new file name as, we can see here, myproject.r. Extension R here represent R programming. So first off, we try to read our CSV file. So we can create a variable here, data1, and read.csv function, and mention here there are 2 or 3 parameters. First off, file name myproject.csv, comma true. True, it represents the header और field titles, and comma separator means कि जो भी उसमें वैल्यूज़ हैं और जो भी उसमें डेटा है, तो किस सेपरेटर के थ्रू हम उसको फिल्टर कर रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पे टैब का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज़ टैब हियर ऑल्सो, बट इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट आई ट्राई टू इंक्लूड comma separator. Next of class, and then data1. Data1 is a variable. Then again we try to print our output. So just write here data1, and we can see what will be after that. When we talk about these 3 lines, the output will be look like this. We are not talking about we are not talking about this time bar chart. I am showing you output of these 3 lines. So data1, I just try to print data1, and we can see here on the bottom, this is the output of the CSV file. After that, when we talk about bar chart plotting, so there is need to attach again our CSV file. So I'm using attach function and then call data variable. Now here we can see total gender in table, means we talk about this field, we talk about this field means gender field. There are 5 rows in which we can see there are 2 females and 3 male person. So first off, we try to count total number of gender. So table function, then gender, this is a field name. Now store the total male and female in a count variable. यहाँ पे here we create a count variable and again the type table function and parameter should be gender. This is a field name. So we print %. Now here we try to calculate the percentage of the male or female. So again table parameter should be gender divided by 5, because we can see here here we can see here output 2 female and 3 male, and also here we can see here in data 1 we talk about data 1 object and it represents 5 object here, means 5 variable, means 2 female and 3 male person there. So in next line we try to calculate the percentage of female and male. So we write here percent equal table gender divided by 5. So we calculate the percentage. Now come to the bar chart plot. So in R programming we have a function bar plot, and first off we try to plot count. In count variable we already calculated the male and female. Next one, in bar plot for the percentage we already calculated the percentage here, and last one is the bar plot, and you can see there are more than 2 parameters. First of percentage we try to plot a percentage, then male equals to, here you are watching here project by Ashutosh Pandey. This means this is a title of your project or whatever you want to show in the bar chart or as a title, you can write here main equals to. So I am using for my project main equals to project by Ashutosh Pandey, then comma separator, then after that xlab for the x-axis what you want to show in x-axis, and here y lab means y label and x label means in what you want to show or write in y-axis or x-axis. So we can see here output. Finally this is a main equals to project by Ashutosh Pandey, and this is our bar chart, and this is a x-axis which is denoted to gender, and this is a percentage of the female and male, and finally we can watch here percentage of male is about 0.6 and female is about 0.4. So this is our small project using R programming, and thank you for watching this video, and this is my final assignment. Myself Ashutosh Pandey.